Understanding Jump the Gun, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, jump the gun. This idiom is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to jump the gun. The term, jump the gun, originates from track and field races. It refers to a situation where an athlete starts running before the starting gun is fired. This premature start can lead to disqualification. In everyday English, this phrase has come to symbolize acting too hastily or prematurely in various situations. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. When I saw my colleague packing her bags, I jumped the gun and assumed she was leaving the job. It turns out she was just heading to a conference. 2. He jumped the gun by announcing his candidacy for the mayor before the official dates were released. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to convey the idea of someone being too hasty or premature in their actions or decisions. One common mistake learners make is using jump the gun in a positive context. Remember, this phrase almost always carries a negative connotation, implying a rushed and often ill-advised action. It's also important not to confuse it with being enthusiastic or proactive, which are generally positive. I hope this video clarifies the meaning and usage of jump the gun. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, and understanding them can really boost your fluency. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rewatch this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.